Currently, California solar owners only receive credits for about 20% of the extra energy they send back to the grid. But now courts must decide if the California Public Utilities Commission followed state law when making that ruling and take a fresh look at how they interpret laws. Called net energy metering, or NEM, utilities once paid solar customers the retail rate for their extra energy, the same price they charge when reselling it. But nearly 3 years ago, the CPUC approved NEM 3, slashing those payments by about 80%, saying it would help keep bills affordable while still promoting renewable energy. 3 environmental groups sued, arguing the CPUC failed to consider the full benefits of rooftop solar as required by state law. The Solar Rights Alliance backed that lawsuit.
When the CPUC did their deliberation, the only thing they really did was they took into account the costs and the benefits to the utility.
Executive Director Dave Rosenfeld says the commission ignored benefits such as cleaner energy, climate goals, and thousands of local jobs.
Before the CPUC made their changes, there was about 60,000 solar jobs in this state. We lost 20,000 in the first year.
He says far fewer Californians are investing in solar because of longer payback periods.
We're tired of that, and so we're contesting the CPUC's really narrow, utility-focused point of view.
This month, state Supreme Court justices ordered a lower court to revisit the ruling. They did not decide if the changes were legal, leaving that to the appeals court to decide. Rosenfeld says the move has wider implications for state utility regulators.
What it means is that consumers now get their day in court. And we've also notched, I think, a pretty major victory over the long run for the public interest, because now the CPUC will understand going forward they may be subject to scrutiny from the courts.
We reached out to the CPUC for comment. They tell CBS 8 in a statement, "We appreciate the court's careful attention to the appropriate standards of deference for reviewing CPUC decisions. We are pleased that the CPUC's decision will remain in effect as an important part of controlling electricity bills." While solar advocates see this as a win, Rosenfeld says a final resolution is likely at least a year away. Alex Lai, CBS 8.